What's up, everybody? It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. I'm out here in the Victory Lakes neighborhood about to do another lawn top dressing, lawn restoration type of service. But in this instance, to give you more bang for your buck, right? The lawn needs to be mowed. Got this little handy dandy cheap Murray mower, whatever it takes though, right? And we are going to essentially scalp the lawn before we do this. I'm not going to bag anything. Everything's going to get mulched. I want all the organic matter, the nitrogen, and everything from the grass clippings to stay in the lawn. And then we're going to top dress it with our premium soil mix. And we are going to put down Microlife Hybrid. Yes, it's like towards the end of November, but we've still had 80-degree days. And the way that the slow release nitrogen works in the specific Microlife Hybrid, it's going to do a really good job at staying there when it cools down, and when it heats up, it's going to be essentially activated by soil microbes. So I love using hybrid all year long because if it gets too cold and dormant, it sits in the soil ready for warmer days. Let's get started. So there you have it. That is the mowing portion. I didn't take it all the way down to the ground. It is St. Augustine. It is not growing season, so we don't really have to scalp it down to the dirt. But as you can see, the lawn is smoothed out now. Now I can spread soil much more even and get a better coverage, right? That's what we want. So what I'm gonna do next is put down the Microlife Hybrid, because in my order of operations, I always like to put down my granular fertilizer first, and then we do the soil. Come follow me. And let me show you something, okay? A lot of people miss this. They buy Microlife for the first time. They have a hard time opening it up. They get a knife, they rip it. There is a little thing on this bag that says easy open. You got to pull the string out. Boom, top comes right off. Open, pour. Now that 40-pound bag is recommended for up to 8,000 square feet. When I'm doing these jobs, I like to put it a little bit stronger because let's face it, I want some growth. I want it to pop. You know, I want what you want, and I want fast results. So you can put down Microlife Hybrid a little bit stronger than recommended. Safe to do so, won't burn the lawn, have really great results. Let's get going. And there is the fertilizing portion of the lawn restoration process.